Welcome to the Regrid Mapping Platform. Today we're going to be covering how to add and remove members from your group in Regrid. First thing to note is that this is something that is only possible when you have a team subscription, since pro subscriptions are single user. If you'd like to upgrade to a team account and you already have an account, you can go to the billing tab and there's a whole separate tutorial video on how that can be done. If you're a new user, you can go to regrid.com and then you can find the subscriptions page and choose team from the menu of self-serve options there. Once you have an account, basically you're going to be working from the members tab to add and remove members. The members tab is also always available from the group dropdown. If you are elsewhere, you can always click on it if you're already in the dashboard. From here, you can see the current number of seats that your plan allows you to have. So in this case, we've got 10. You can also see the people who are currently in the account. If you'd like to add another person to your account, you click Invite a Member, and then you'll simply need to type in their email address. There are 3 types of permissions for users. Manager is full permissions. They can do anything that you can do. There is Member, which is more limited, and you can view maps and data, but not delete entire projects and things of that nature. And then you've got Surveyors, which really only allows you to log in on the mobile app for Regrid and submit surveys if you're working on a large project or something like that, but there's no access to view maps or anything on the web. Once you type in the email address and click Send, that user will get an email invite, and they'll be able to click a link to get all set up. If for some reason they don't see the email, maybe it goes to their spam or something, you can always click on the cog icon and then click this Get Invite link to get a link that you can copy and paste directly to them as well. Once folks are added in here, you can always change their permissions by clicking on their current role and selecting one of the other options and then clicking the check mark to cement it in place. You can also remove a user by clicking the little icon and then clicking OK here, which will remove them from the group.